last video, I had worked for add new subscriber. In this video, I'll create method to schedule the job that will execute after 30 every time, and it will add new payment, month, and status. Also, please correct the spells for last name, because I found like when I going to create the user with the duplicate record, it is accepting this thing. So I found that I had made mistake with the spelling. Let me drop the subscriber collection. It'll take few seconds. Now fine. Let's move to cron job method. Basically inside it we have our get month name method, which provide us the name of month based on the number. So let's quickly use a const cron is equal to require not cron. Next thing I need here, const subscriber is equal to require, here give to path of model slash subscriber, as I need this reference because I need to update the document of the subscriber. Now let's create a method for schedule the cron job. So here I'm going to use const schedule job, and I'm going to use arrow function here. So it should be async, and it will accept ID, because on behalf of ID I'll update the document. So let's use date. D is equal to new date, and also I need mint. I need mint, month, year, and seconds. So when at what time user created after 30 days, same time job will be execute. So let's quickly use all of grab all of things like date, second, month, year, hours. Now inside try catch block, inside catch block, if there any error occur, I'm going to just log it inside the console. Now let's start actual work inside try block. So here I'm going to use cron.schedule, and it accept the parameter. First one is for second. It is an optional parameter, but I'm specifying it. Second one, it accept for mint, and next one for arg. We have second hours, and next one I had to provide date, at which date it's going to be execute. Next one I need to provide month, and for year I'm going to provide asterisk. It means it will execute every year. So in which field do you want to add this type of functionality that execute every time? You can simply pass star there, like in every second or every minute or every hour. Also for second I'm going to use some condition. If second is greater than equal to 59, then it should be 1, else I'm going to use value of seconds. Same condition I'm going to use with mint, and just change it second to mint. Let me check, is everything correct? Yeah. Okay, now we can write our function that will execute at a specific time. So it should be an async function. I'm going to use arrow function here. So let subscriber is equal to await subscriber dot find one, and here I'm going to use filter here. First of all, for underscore ID should be ID, and for subscription should be true. In app we have functionality whether subscription is true or not. If subscription is true, according to this we schedule the job for next month. If we do not find any subscriber, like which hand ID or which subscription status is false, then I'm going to simply return true. Else I'm going to use await subscriber dot update one. Let me correct this. This should be update one, and inside it I'm going to use a filter for ID, and I need to push push payment status inside payment array. So push payment colon, here I'm going to use month, and month should be get month name. I created this method in last video, and inside it I simply pass the value of month. Then I'm going to use year for year should be same, and payment status should be false. As I'm using this for default, status should be false. Now I just write things in console, so just put console.log, and here I'm going to use backticks task completed completed for, and here I'm going to pass the ID of user, and after that add. Here I'm going to pass the date, time, and mint, like on which time the task completed. So there I'm going to use date slash r and column mint. When the task complete, simply print this message in console, so that I'll able to know yeah, that specific task has been executed successfully. Also I need to recall schedule job, and for I'm passing the ID as the parameter. Like when our job run once, then I need to execute it for the upcoming month as well. Also I'm going to pass schedule true, and I'm going to pass time zone. So here I'm going to use time zone of Asia slash Kolkata. You can use time zone according to you. Let me check, like if everything is correct. Yeah, we have date and all this. Now let's export the method. So just separate with comma and called method name schedule job. Save this. Now move to subscriber.js inside your API folder. I need to use the schedule job method inside it. So quickly grab it. Now when we save the user in database, I need to schedule the job, and for this I'm going to pass subscriber.id. Like it will call this method after the user save in database. So let's start the node server, and let's check will it work. So here I had sent the request, our user has been created, and if I go to the database, let me reload it. It will take a few seconds. There you can see in the subscriber collection I had a document, and if I'm going to expand the payment array, I had an object in which I have user ID, year, month, and payment status. So like let's make some change in cron job scheduler. I want to execute it after a minute, like when the request came, and my job should be executed after a minute. So first of all, I'm going to log the time in the console.log, just to copy the time what I give in the parameter of cron.schedule in console.log, so that I'll able to know, like for what time I had request to schedule the job. Also I want one more thing, like I want to execute the job after a minute. I'll modify it later, like will execute after 30 days, but for now, for quick check or testing, I need to execute it after a minute, so that I haven't to wait for it very long. So inside cron.schedule, I'm going to pass mint. Now just remove the mint here, and it should be mint plus one. Also for month, I'm going to use month plus 1, and like a month simply return value between 0 to 11, so here I'm going to use month plus 1, and similarly do same thing inside console.log as well. Save this and let's restart the server, and let's try to register one more subscriber. There you can see I got message user already exists. As in previous video, this thing was remaining due to incorrect spell. Now user subscriber has been added, and here I got the time, the seconds, and mint or date and month. So it is 8 of August, and if I go to subscriber collection, there you can see I had 2 documents now, and inside payment array I had only single object now. Now let's wait for. So there you can see after mint our job has been executed successfully, and if I move to database, just refresh our collection once, and inside it there you can see now inside payment array I had 2 objects. Okay, there is something wrong for this is data for July. I think I need to write the same thing inside push as well, so it should be month plus 1, so that will provide the correct value what I looking for. Now just I had stopped the terminal, and let's make it make the job that should schedule after 30 days. That's so I'm going to use d.setDate, and here I'm going to use d.getDate, and I'm going to add plus 30, so it will modify all things accordingly, and save this. uh, Also do I need to change some? Let me check. In place of mint I'm going to pass the same mint at the time when the subscriber added, or it will take time according to the job schedule, unless we remove the subscription or re-add the subscription. So for mint here I'm going to change the condition, like if mint is greater than 59, it should be mint uh, it should be mint plus 1, else it should be mint. As like in job schedule, it accept the value of mint or second from 0 to 59 only, and do same thing in console.log as well. Server has been started and our database has been connected successfully. Let me change the first name of user, rest of credentials should remain same. Okay, our subscriber had been created successfully. There you can see our I got the time, like at this time our job will execute, and for month you can see I got the month here 9. Today is 8th of August, and August has 31 days, so job is execute on 7th of September.